Hello, my name is Alicia Jones, and I am currently an EIP teacher. I worked as a second grade teacher for 4 years, and I've been a title teacher 1 year, and now I'm an EIP teacher, which I love very much. Um, so I also have been married 12 years, and I have two kids that go to school with me. A fifth grader that's 10 years old, and a second grader that just turned 8 this December. I have enjoyed the break. Not having college and not having to teach was very nice. I'm grateful for the break, and I'm looking forward to finishing my degree. I plan to finish my master's this coming July. I received my bachelor's degree in early childhood education from Kennesaw State University in 2013. And I think that's pretty much my life right now. So it is very nice to meet all of you. I look forward to working with you and learning something new. So again, nice to meet you all, and thank you so much.